Ready to kickstart your fitness journey from the comfort of your home? Today, I'm going to share a few simple yet effective workouts that you can do without any fancy equipment. So, let's get moving. First up, let's warm up with some jumping jacks. It's a great way to get your heart pumping and muscles ready. Stand with your feet together and arms by your sides. Jump up, spreading your legs and raising your arms above your head. Then, jump back to the starting position. Repeat this for 1 minute. Feel that energy? Awesome! Next, let's target those legs with some squats. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Lower your body as if you're sitting back into a chair, keeping your chest up and knees behind your toes. Push back up to the starting position. Do this for 15 reps. Squats are fantastic for building strength and toning your lower body. Now, let's work on that core with some planks. Get into a push-up position, balancing on your forearms and toes. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. Hold this position for 30 seconds. Feel those abs burning? That's progress. Let's not forget about our upper body. Push-ups are your best friend here. Start in a high plank position with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Lower your body until your chest nearly touches the floor, then push back up. Aim for 10 reps. Don't worry if you can't do full push-ups yet. You can always do them on your knees until you build up strength. Finally, let's cool down with some stretches. Sit on the floor and reach for your toes, feeling the stretch in your hamstrings. Hold for 20 seconds. Then, stand up and stretch your arms overhead, reaching for the sky. Hold for another 20 seconds. Feel that relaxation? Great job! Remember, consistency is key. Start with these basics and gradually increase your reps and duration as you get stronger. You don't need a gym to get fit, just a little space and the determination to make it happen. Keep pushing yourself and you'll see amazing results. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this workout, hit that like button and subscribe for more fitness tips. Stay active, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.